Hello, everybody. It's Eddie. I just got up, but I was working on. I got this plastic. I got this plastic Bugs Gear ukulele from Amazon, and for $20. And one thing I did not like about it was the frets. You can barely see the frets. So what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought these. I don't have them right in front of me, but I bought these little tab markers, and I thought they were made of paper, but they turned out they were made of plastic. So I cut them up in little pieces, different colors, and I put them on the fretboard. And now I can, even though my frets are marked here, I was having trouble seeing the 1, 2. I was ended up in the wrong position because I couldn't see. So now I have these marked, and you can actually tell what fret you're in, and it kind of looks kind of pop art. And the other night we went to the Academy Theater here in Hateville to see The Odd Couple, and they gave us these stickers by I believe his name is Yo-Yo Pharaoh. It's an artist who did the mural at the Academy Theater, and I was wondering what am I gonna do with the sticker, and then Alvin said, why don't you put the sticker on the ukulele? So that now I have a true pop art ukulele, and his name is Rudolph. But I'm sure you're wondering, how does this sucker sound? Now I'm going to move this down a little bit. You can see my other ukuleles in the back. Move it down a little bit, and I'm then just going to randomly play some stuff. So it sounds pretty good, and I'm playing it with some long sleeve, which is not really the way I should. But yeah, it sounds pretty good, and I haven't tuned it today, so it's holding its tune fairly well. I just took a DNA test, turns out that I'm 100% that boy. Why men great till they gotta be great? You said you broke my heart, well that breaks my heart, 'cause you know you never did it and you ain't from the start. So I'm glad you're back with that bitch who would wanna hide this, 'cause I'll never ever be a side chick. I drank the singing single, worried about a ring on my finger. No, I should do truth hurts. I needed something more exciting. That's Lizzo's Truth Hurts. My version of that. I'm working on that. It's kind of funny. Okay, so anyway, thanks so much. I hope you're having a great Sunday. Talk to you later.